Hi guys! No baking tutorial today, instead we will discuss how to measure your ingredients. As we've mentioned before that baking is not so much an art as it is a science, organic chemistry to be exact. That means that you can't really eyeball the ingredients you are relying on to produce a structure. You need to measure the quantities precisely and methodically, so that you get the same results every time you bake. You also need to make your measurements with the right tools. Use volumetric cups for measuring dry ingredients like flour, sugar, or other dry goods. Use Pyrex measuring cups with a spout for any liquid ingredients. And for small quantities that call for teaspoons or tablespoons. Use actual spoon measuring sets. Do not use the small or large spoons from your cutlery set. How to measure flour. 5 out of 20 use a spoon or even the edge of the measuring cup to stir up or fluff up the flour. Scoop the loosened flour into the cup gently, allowing the flour to be slightly overfilled. Use a flat edge, chopstick, back of a butter knife, etc. to sweep the overfilled flour back into the bag. At no point do you want to tamp the flour down, or hit the measuring cup against something to settle or level the flour. If you do this, you will actually pack the flour granules tighter together, so that you end up with more flour than your recipe is actually calling for. Weighing your flour or other ingredients are more accurate, but of course you do follow the recipe that you are making. If it tells you to use cups, then use the cup measurement. How to measure liquid. Place your measuring cup on a flat even surface. Do not hold the cup in your hand, as this will most likely tilt the cup, and you will not get an accurate measurement. Pour the liquid into the measuring cup to the desired measurement mark. Bend down to eye level with the measuring cup, and make sure the meniscus of the liquid touches the line. Teaspoon and tablespoon. Be careful with teaspoons and tablespoons. Make sure you know which the recipe calls for, and use the appropriate measure. Many recipes can be completely ruined by using the wrong amount of baking soda, for example. These are the standard abbreviations used: TSP for teaspoon and tablespoon for tablespoon. 3 teaspoon equals 1 tablespoon. Use actual measuring spoons, do not use cutlery spoons. Never use the small and large spoons in your cutlery set to measure teaspoons or tablespoons in baking. Cutlery spoons are not going to give you a standard measurement. So when a recipe calls for teaspoon or tablespoon, use an actual measuring spoon set. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. Also hit the bell button so that you will be notified once we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.